Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. It's JessicaFitBeauty. If you're new here, welcome. I really hope that you will subscribe and become a part of my YouTube familia. If you're coming back, welcome back. Today I'm going to be creating this eye look using the newer or newish Dream Street, Colourpop, and Kathleen Lightd Palette. A few of you requested that I do that, so I bought one for myself, and I also bought a second one for you guys right here to give away, as well as 5 of the Colourpop Supernova shadows. So I'm going to be giving those away as well. But if you guys want to see this look, just keep on watching. And for those of you who are going to cheat and fast forward to the end, I'll put a timestamp right here for you so you can see how to enter. All right, guys, so let's jump right on into this thing. First, I'm going to use the Colourpop concealer. This is now like my 5th time using it. The jury's still out on it. I kind of like it. I'm not sure, but I'm using the color Light 20, and then I'm going to pack it in using the Flower Beauty sponge, which you all know is my favorite. There's the beautiful palette. I'm going to first start off using the color Moony all over my lid. Yes, this is a bit of a shimmer, but that is what I wanted to put down as my base. Then I'm going to go in with the color Magical, and I'm going to apply this all over the upper portion of the crease, slightly up to the brow bone, just to really create that kind of airbrushed, blown out effect. Once I am done there, I'm then going to go in with the color Potion, and I'm going to take the same fluffy blending brush. This one is from Japanesque. All brushes will be listed down below, by the way, in the description box. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the outer portion of the crease and really just kind of blend it across, keeping it more compact into the actual crease rather than kind of blowing it out up higher. So to do this, you want to kind of hold your brush in a downward motion. Then I'm going to go in with a BH Cosmetics brush, and this is just kind of a fluffy brush, and I'm going to use the color Elfish, and I'm going to apply this all over the lid. This can be a little messy. You don't have to worry about it, but you do mainly want to keep it onto the lid and then just slightly brush it up into the crease. Now I'm going to take a little bit of MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going in with the color Kaleidoscope, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid using a flat brush. This one's perfect. It is from Japanesque as well because it kind of has a dome shape at the top, so I can really just get in there and kind of cut out that crease slightly. Now I know some of you are probably going, but you have that dark color underneath. Well, I wanted that as the base to really help make this kaleidoscope color pop, because just on the skin it doesn't pop as much as it does over top of the color Elfish. That really created more of a pop. And then I'm just going to really kind of blend it out into the darker part of the eyeshadow and up into the crease so there's no harsh edges. Once I'm done there, I'm now going to go back into that color Elfish, and I'm going to use a more compact precision crease brush, but I'm going to pack this on to the outer portion and then just slightly into the crease as well. That way I get the shape I really want. Once I've defined the shape, I go back in with the fluffy blending brush from Japanesque, and I just kind of soften those edges outwards. I do go back into the color Potion and Magical and just really blend it out so everything looks nice and soft. And of course, now I'm going to go in and clean up using a makeup wipe before we apply the primer. And I'm using Touche Eclat all over the face by YSL, then YSL All Hours Foundation, applying it all over the face using the Flower Beauty blender because I love it. Next, I'm going to go in with the Colourpop concealer, which the verdict is still out on this. I'm not sure whether I love it or hate it. I'll let you guys know. This is now my 4th time using it, so yeah, there's that. But I'm going to blend it using the Flower Beauty sponge, of course. Now I'm going to contour with the Benefit Hoola contour stick, and I'm going to again use the Flower sponge because why not? because it's my favorite. That's why. And we're going to go off camera and voila, look at that. Everything is done except I have to do my lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with the color Magical and Potion using a small brush from BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to use this all the way across underneath the lower lash line, just really kind of blending it in. Don't mind me, I think I'm singing there. And then I'm going to go in with the color Elfish, and we're going to use this just on the outer portion of the eye to really kind of blend into that eyeliner. Now I'm going in with the Dior highlighter in 02, I believe, and I'm going to use this on my inner corner to just give me that light, and then a little bit of mascara from Giorgio Armani, and then some face fixing, and voila. Alright guys, so that concludes this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I am so in love with this eyeshadow look. I actually did it and wore it to work. That's why you could see that the palette was a little bit dirty throughout this tutorial. It has actually been already loved so far. And I tried it out on a couple different looks to really get something a little more unique for you guys. And anyway, for those of you who are like, quit your blabbing and get on with the giveaway, let me tell you what to do. You're going to want to click that description box down below. Make sure that you go to Rafflecopter. Why do I always forget that? Make sure that you go to Rafflecopter to enter. And I also want you guys to let me know what your favorite part of the shadow was down below in the comment section that I put on my eyes. And if you're going to recreate this look, let me know. Also, if there's any other palettes that you want to see me recreate, I have the Carly Bible palette in my stack to do for you guys and film as well. I know that that was a limited edition, but I do believe it is still available at a lot of Ultas and Ulta.com. So we're going to create a few looks for you guys. But if there's any palettes that you have sitting around at home and you're like, I just don't know what to do, please let me know down in the comment section below. And until next time, we'll be seeing you soon. Bye.